So here we have a PHP project that we want PHP to serve. First, you must open PowerShell at the project level. To do this, right-click on the root project folder, then choose Open in Terminal. Once the PowerShell opens, type the following: PHP in lowercase, space, dash uppercase S, space, then localhost, :8000. You can now visit your browser and type localhost :8000 to see your PHP index page. And there you have it. The index.php file automatically started. Now, to stop your server, go back to the terminal and press Ctrl+C. You may have to press it twice.